So you've gotten up to your elbows in a dirty job, and there's no washroom around. What are you going to do? Don't use that rag or any dry shop towel for that matter. They leave behind too much dirt. If you're on the go, you need WYPALL Waterless Cleaning Wipes from Kimberly-Clark Professional. They provide you with a better way to clean greasy grime and dirt without a washroom. WYPALL Waterless Cleaning Wipes are disposable and go where you go. They're pre-saturated with a citrus-based cleanser that's tough enough to cut through dirt, but gentle enough to use on your skin. WYPALL Waterless Cleaning Wipes. They're ready to clean skin or surface anytime, anywhere. They're good enough for my team. You should check them out. Okay, now let's get back to work.